Two-factor authentication, not working on Tastyworks Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on Tastyworks, don't panic. This is a common issue that traders encounter, especially after updating phones, changing devices or reinstalling authenticator apps. The good news is it's almost always easy to fix. First, let's talk about the most common cause: incorrect time sync. Two-factor authentication codes are time-based, and even a tiny difference between your phone's clock and Tastyworks servers can cause code mismatches. To fix it, go into your phone settings, enable set time automatically, and check your time zone. Then open your authenticator app and tap time correction for codes or sync now. This simple step resolves most login problems instantly. Next, make sure your Tastyworks and authenticator apps are up to date. Outdated apps can break the communication link that verifies your codes. Open your App Store and install the latest versions. If you're using SIM's verification but not receiving your code, toggle airplane mode, restart your phone, or try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Network delays sometimes prevent messages from being delivered promptly. If you've recently switched to a new phone or reset your device, you'll need to reconfigure your two-factor authentication. On the Tastyworks login screen, click Can't Access VA and follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once confirmed, you can enable authentication again on your new phone. And here's a pro tip for traders: always save your backup recovery codes somewhere safe and offline. They can instantly restore your access if your phone is lost or damaged. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on Tastyworks, take a breath. Think your time, update your apps, and check your network. With these steps, you'll be back to trading securely and confidently in just a few minutes.